guys, what's up? I'm here with Westkiss today, your beauty from right here. It says love yourself, start from Westkiss hair. So this is the box. As you can see, yeah, I definitely took a peek already, and it's a lot going on in this box, like a lot. So firstly, I can see the wig here, which we'll get into a bit, and then a little further, oh my gosh, they gave me a nice bonnet. Ooh, I'm happy for this. I like these bonnets. It's like reversible, so you can wear it here or you can wear it on this side. Pink is not my favorite color at all, so I'll definitely rock it more on this side. It's really nice. That's nice. And then I got like a headband. It's not a headband wig, by the way. It's a lace front wig. Oh, this is nice. Ooh, this is cute, guys. And I love the material. I mean, it's velvety. It feels like it's mixed with something else though. But it's nice. It's nice. They're so generous. They gave me another headband. This is like a headscarf. You can use it to tie your edges down. It says Westkiss hair. Okay. Oh, got a pair of lashes. These are nice. Gonna definitely add this to my lash collection. Oh my gosh, I have so much of these scarves now. I got 2 of them. What? They give me so much head tie things. Oh, always good to get these elastic bands for your edges, a wig cap, and they gave me a bag so I can store my wig in after I've used it, well, worn it, washed it, and ready to store it again. Perfect. That's everything that's in the box. So now that you've seen that, let's take a look at the hair. So okay, there's some information here. It is 24 inches that we're working with today. It's a medium cap size, and it's 200% in density. All right. It definitely is so silky. I can feel the weight. It has a little bit of weight. I can feel that this is 200% in density. It's so gorgeous. Lovely. I love that. You see that movement? You see that movement? I'm tempted to straighten this. Tempted. Oh yeah, the other day I got some long, the other day I showed you guys a very long wig that I had, and I did a body wave look with that. So I should definitely do like a straight look with this. I definitely should do a nice sleek, straight, long look with this. Love it. Cap construction pretty standard. Has a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap, 1 in the back, 2 in the front. Adjustable straps and a nice deep parting. Always good to see that. The knots are not bleached from what I can see here, so if you wish to go in and do so, you can. Sometimes I don't always stress that though, because you can always camouflage it if you don't have the time, that is, with makeup or such. And sometimes it doesn't come off as cast. The edges, the hairline could use some more plucking. I'm not gonna lie, really could use some more plucking. So yes, minimal plucking here. It's just a tiny bit of graduation going on at the hairline, so you could definitely go in and do that. Everything else, it seems to be looking pretty good. So I'm gonna proceed. I'm gonna actually pluck a little bit more off the front here and then proceed to applying it. So let's jump into that. If you are interested in seeing how I pluck my wigs, I can link a couple videos down below so you guys can check that out.
Those hazard lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, high.
with I'm gonna go in with my hot comb to kind of like sleek everything down in the front here before I even make my baby hairs. I'll take my wax stick to help with this. Then I'll take my elastic band to tie it down to further melt it in. So I'm gonna take my wax stick.
And lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky.
You see what I did? I kind of just hot comb back the sides here. I don't really want to pull out any in the front here. Before I cut off any for my baby hairs, I'm going to go in and tie it down for like a minute with my elastic band. I'm going to do a center part today, by the way. Just straighten the hair. This actually touches my waist. Remember I'm 5'1", so your girl is tiny. Going in with my Kiposi flat iron, and I'm just, you know, one pass through each section. Look at that, looking like 26 inches on me. I love how full the ends are, like super full, super laid. It's really, really nice. I love the look of this. It's really sleek, as I said, so definitely sleek, straight hair vibe. The flyaways, I wish there were a little bit less of them. It's not that much though. My flat iron got the job done nicely, and I did go in, as I said before, and pluck a little bit more of the hairline because I didn't want it to look that full and dense with the hair. But it's really nice. It's really, really lovely. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comment section. And don't forget to go ahead and thumbs up this video, share it. All the specifications and details on this wig will be in the description box, as well as the direct link to it if you're interested in getting it for yourself. It is gorgeous. Shout out to West Kiss Hair. That's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to show your girl some love. And yeah, just stay tuned for my other videos coming up. I have hauls coming up, interactive videos coming up, you know. Yeah. And don't forget to check out my vlog channel as usual, PETITE-SUE TV. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so, both channels. Yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to make up on yourself. Bye.